regarding Techno Tackle Software Solutions.
Before partnering with Techno Tackle.
Techno Tackle.
Hi there, Nick Powills, publisher of 1851franchise.com, Chief Growth Officer and founder of Mainland. Mainland is a marketing agency specifically focused on franchise growth from a consumer and business standpoint. The problem I faced before coming to Techno Tackle was struggling to find a development team that was trustworthy, execution, and someone that we could lean on to make our web property stronger. How did Techno Tackle help us? They stepped in immediately and showed that they are trustworthy. One of the big things that we had to cut through is cost savings on the way that we were hosting our website. I am the visionary behind our publication, but I do not have a technical skill set that's able to edit or judge or evaluate the strength of what we are doing. Bala and his team were able to step in and solve that very quickly and be able to say, here are the gaps that we need to solve, and here's how we're going to solve it. The attentiveness, the communication has been significantly better than what we've used in the past, and that obviously is how we build trust with each other. I completely recommend Techno Tackle for anybody that's out there that needs a better support team around them. The way that I would look at Techno Tackle is an extension of your team. You're hiring someone into your company, that's one person. Here you're supported with a team of experts around you that act and feel like they are actually a part of your internal squad. That was going to be very important to us because we didn't want to feel like it was a vendor relationship. We needed to make sure that it felt like a partnership. And that's exactly why I would fully recommend Techno Tackle for any project or ongoing service that you need. One thing that I've genuinely liked about working with Techno Tackle is the honesty. That's really, really challenging to figure out. How do you find honest companies to work with? You can go on the Upworks of the world, you can go on the web, you can try to find a solution. It's hard to really understand who's selling you and who's actually in there with you. For me, Techno Tackle became heavily recommended, which that was part of our research. We needed to find someone that we can actually trust. That recommendation made us say yes, and therefore I am extending my recommendation for you to say yes as well.